This is a 2012 Daihatsu Hijet. It's an EXT with farming package. EXT gives you the chrome front grille, color matching side mirrors. This truck is the metallic silver. It's got a lift kit on it with the new tires and wheels. Huge rear bed, 6.5 feet long, 4.5 feet wide. Sides actually fold down on this. Makes it very easy for loading and unloading. Here's the interior. Very clean interior. Has power windows. Power locks. Also has a key fob for locking and unlocking the door. Very clean inside. It's 35,700 kilometers, which breaks down to about 22,000 miles. Very, very clean. Locking rear differential. Rear cargo light. 5-speed manual transmission. Has high and low range selector. There's all of your air conditioning and heat controls. Here's your push button 4-wheel drive. Just a really nice truck.